Heading out on our own with our hope in the clouds, and we're starting to see that we're onto something. Feel it coming, we'll keep running, nothing in our
Welcome
way.
to this workshop. Thank you, CS Photography. You will really put it in your mind, in your heart, what you will see and hear and learn today. Good luck to everyone, and thank you very, very much, CS Photography.
Here we go, all we need is an open road.
Sabi namin, photography touches one's life.
That's beautiful. Here we go, with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day, it's ours to take, and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins.
Marami akong natutunan for this workshop and training. Then hopefully, ma-apply ko yung mga natutunan ko. And I'm really looking forward for more workshop and training with CS Photographies.
Every step, writing stories that seek to be read, taking hold of the moment as we discover every color filled with wonder. Now we finally see we got everything we need. Here we go, all we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go, with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day, it's ours to take, and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins. Here we go.
Bigger the problem sa pelikula, the more exciting ang mapapanood ng viewers. Same din sa buhay natin. If we feel that our problem is big enough for ourselves, then be excited. I-feel nyo na na-miss tayo. Nakapagtapos, malampasan nyo yung mga challenge na yun para na kayo ang buhay nyo ay isang pelikula.
Here we go, all we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go, with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day, it's ours to take, and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins. Here we go.
Thank you, CS.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, CS. Thank you, CF. Thank you, CS, because for your photography, you touch one life.
Here we go.